Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share with you a recent purchase from my local Hermes stores. So it is not something that I will always buy at that price level, right? But this particular product itself has the kind of like the design that I really wanted, and many people know that I'm a very fussy buyer, right? I can look at 100 things, I didn't buy anything, but this particular product has the design that I've always been looking out for. So it's an interesting story, right? So a few days before, I make a better than expected profit from my swing trading in the stock market. And I decided, that particular extra money, I would just want to go and spend it, right, on something that I really like and enjoy. So I told my wife, right, it's been some time since we last seen our essay at the Hermes store. So I think we should just drop by this weekend and spend that easy money, right, to enjoy. So we were there looking at some ready to wear, right? We're looking at t-shirts, we're looking at wallets, and as usual, right, many things were just unavailable in the colors that we want, in the sizes that we want. So this is kind of like very expected, right? Especially when you are shopping in Hermes, right? A lot of things are just not available. But something caught my eye, right? It was in the color that I really like, right? And the kind of design is my type, right? So, and the only thing that I didn't know is that if it is available in my size. And I asked my SA to check, and he told me that yes, your size is available. I was like, yes, it's like striking the lottery, right? It's something that I like, and it is available. So it's a pair of sneakers, and it is a limited edition, or I would rather say special edition for the current Hermes theme of celebrating mankind. So it's a pair of sneakers that walks on air, right? Why is it so? I will show you exactly why. So as you can see, the shoe is made of several different materials, right? So what you can see over here is that you can see the white layers, so the white areas, right? They are made up of this textured fabric, right? It is like there's some texture on it, so it doesn't look very plain. And the darker shade, right, the grayish or the another shade of white, right, they are actually made of like sweat goat skin. You can see the sweat feeling, the velvety kind of feeling on this particular material. Right? And then on this particular place where you can see the H logo, right, this particular piece of it is actually leather, right? So this is like, I would say, Epsom leather, right? So you can see it's of a different kind of material as well. So it makes this shoe pretty much quite interesting, right? It's pretty much quite unique looking. Right? When you wear, you have different layers, so it don't look like just a plain white sneakers. And so right behind you will see the Hermes logos, right? This is also sweat as well, right? And this is soft. I think a lot of people will consider, especially when you're wearing ankle socks and things like that, right? This doesn't cut into your feet, right? So it makes you feel a lot more comfortable, right? It's easier to wear for a longer time period. But as try other kind of like other brands of leather shoes, right? The insides are always very hard, right? You can feel the leathery hard, and which is not comfortable, right? Especially you wear it for many hours. But this is not, right? This is super comfortable. Inside is really just very soft, right? There's a lot of this cushion around, and they are just like the goat skin really works very well, right? So I think this is a very comfortable shoe that you can wear. Okay, and another thing that is very special is of course the base, right? The sole of the shoe. As you can see, the sole of the shoe is orange color. That's the Hermes signature color, and you can see the logo. You can see the H logo, right? The H design across the entire base of the shoe, right? So this is something that is pretty much unique. So when you walk, right, you can see the orange profile on the side, right? And then you can see when you lift up your feet, you can see the orange sole of your shoe, right? So this is something that is unique looking, right? So this is a pair. Let me take out the other pair so that you can see them together. So two pairs together, right? You will see, it looks very nice, a very good streetwear to own actually, right? So when you walk, pretty much quite unique looking. Okay. Yep. So this is the Hermes boomerang shoe. Right, the boomerang shoe in working on air special edition, and it costs around 1,250 Singapore dollars. Right, so and this is my size. It's probably in US 10, probably like size 43.5, if I'm not wrong. So I am a big believer in hard money and easy money, right? Hard money is the money that you earn through your work, like your salary, right? Your job. And easy money is really the income that you make from your investment, right? From your trading. It's like passive income that you don't really do a lot of things to get the money, right? You don't need a lot of effort to generate that kind of money. Right, so all my purchases from Hermes and from the other luxury stores, they are from the easy money category. Right, so that I don't affect my lifestyle anyway. So I don't have to make special sacrifices to own the things that I really wanted. So I believe you should enjoy the easy money because you make the effort to help to build up the easy money source of income, right? So if you want to learn more about creating additional income sources to generate this kind of like easy money, make sure you click on the subscribe button below as well, and follow me on my channel, right? I will show you more about exactly what I do and probably give you some ideas on how you can generate easy money for yourself, right? You don't have to follow exactly what I do, but I just want to give you some ideas on how you can do that, right? Everybody has their own way of making easy money, right? What you want to do is that you want to feel confident and you want to find something that works for you. Right, so once you found the way that works for you, right, then you will have a long-term, sustainable, easy money flowing your way. Right, so stay tuned, watch out for my other videos, and I will see you soon.